What do you do if you do not know your date of birth, the month or the year or the date? In that case, how to find out some solutions that are especially for you? Well, in this episode, I'm about to share some amazing tips and solutions for those who do not know their date of birth. Stay with me. Hi everyone, this is Jaya Karamchandani. Welcome to Invincible Passion Talk Show, where every week I share with you astrology, numerology and vastu related some tips, some remedies, some insights, and I will say overall my experience. If you have just joined the Invincible family, welcome. But if you're already part of the family, then don't forget to give us a like and share it as well. When we think of date of birth, yes, ideally, the numbers are related to planets and that falls into the purview of astrology. But if you're just looking purely from the perspective of numbers, then it's numerology. And when you relate that with vastu, it can really go deeper into healing someone from their physical issues or the issues in the life by treating in their living space called vastu. When someone comes to you asking for solutions because they have pain and which is real, they have a problem which is seeking solution, but they don't know the date of birth. Well, let me just tell you, in terms of numbers, they are always with you. In Kundli or the astro chart, you have 12 houses ruled by 12 signs and these planets. But you have 12 numbers in your daily 24-hour time frame. You start from 0 to 12, then again it repeats. All it is from AM to it is now PM, whatever part of the world you are. So when someone comes to you asking a problem, sharing their problem, asking a solution, there is a timestamp on it. But even before you look at the time, the problem has the solution built into it. And that is exactly where I have observed for quite some time. How do you suggest someone the solution? So if someone comes to you and says they have issues from support from the superiors at work, they have kind of become arrogant, or their family is complaining they have become selfish, or they have lack of confidence, then that is all about number one, planet Saturn. That is missing or it's weak. They need their support. How do you harness the element of number one of planet Sun? Because if you have that support, then you will find support from your superiors. You will have confidence. You will know how to get along with the team, and your ego has got out of balance. I would say more so you have become selfish. In that case, I would say on Sunday, within the first hour of sunrise, you take a white piece of paper and write on it in orange color number one. It can be 1 by 1 inch piece. That keep that paper in your pocket. Now, not in your wallet, because wallet is usually, if you're carrying made of leather, then that is Rahu. So what you can do is rather, number one, keep it in your wallet. If someone comes to you, they have also the issues of they don't get along with anyone. They only think about themselves. Even the family has problems because this particular person does not think about their family, their needs or friends or mix with them. In that case, you need to harness the element of number two, because that's family, that's union, that's keeping together. Or they have issues where they are suffering from indecisiveness. Now, I'm sharing two sides of number two. Listen to the problem to treat that problem. So you got to pay attention. If someone comes and says they have issues of getting along with others, they only work towards them. They want to become friendly. They want to make sure they are also thinking about others, or how to be cohesive unit, or how to work along well with others, not just as work in the society and family. That is the union. In that case, they should use number two. On Monday, within the first hour of sunrise, take a white piece of paper and write on it in silver color, a white pen or white light cream, number two, and keep it with you. Make sure it is with you. in the pocket, or if you don't wear the jeans or you don't have a pocket, take a small pouch of white color. Stick that number 2 written on a piece of paper and make sure it touches your skin. Now you get creative how you want to keep it. Now, if someone comes to you that they have indecisiveness, they can't decide, they are always procrastinating, they always need someone else's support to make even simple day-to-day life decisions, then also that means they have lack of confidence. So you use the remedy of number 1. Now, if someone comes to you that they are addicted to food, or they are addicted to this, that, whenever the word addiction comes, they have lack of focus in education, they have lack of focus at work, they start one thing, they leave it halfway, go on to the other, they start the third thing, go on to the fourth. Or they are of marriageable age, they're not finding the right partner. In that case, you can use on Thursday within the first hour of sunrise, take a white piece of paper, write with yellow number 3 and stick it with you in your pocket. Now, let's say someone comes to you, they have issues in their life of stability, financial struggles, they don't have security, they were at the top of their career or in the name and fame, suddenly they hit the rock bottom. This shows the negative influence of number 4 or Rahu. Now, you're not going to energize number 4, rather avoid eating non-vegetarian meals on Tuesday, Wednesdays and Saturdays. Avoid wearing dark colors, and also on Saturdays, try to help the needy. When someone is serving you, like the waiter or waitress, tip them well. Take care of the people who support you. You can also pray to Ma Durga, you can also pray to Ganesh Ji, or if you are not the firm believer of temples, gods and goddesses, you avoid meat on Tuesday, Wednesdays and Saturdays. What else you can do is Saturdays, especially Saturdays, avoid wearing black. In fact, donate something black like black lentils, black beans, or anything to the temple, church or mosque you belong to. You will find stability. And watch, I would say avoid you eating meat and alcohol. Watch how you treat others. Now, if someone comes to you with the issues, of communication, their speech is not clear, or there is delay in their communication, or the business or the intelligence issues, they have issues in the business, money related as well. In that case, number 5, they need to energize. On Wednesday, within the first hour of sunrise, take a piece of paper, add green color. With the green color pen or sketch pen, write number 5 on it and stick it in your pocket. Sit. Take that piece of paper, write green number 5 and stick it in your pocket. Additionally, yes, don't eat meat and try to use the greens more on Wednesdays, smoothies, salads, cucumbers, pears, green. Now, if someone comes to you with the problem of that there has been delay in their marriage, they have passed delay from the normal age, they tried very hard, they were in relationship, it didn't work, they separated, or there have been issues, the conversation related to marriage proceeds, then it stops. They are having problems in conceiving. That point, check the southeast, keep it clear, don't use anti-colors in that zone, but also harness the energy of number 6. Take a white piece of paper within the first hour of sunrise on Friday and write number 6 in yellow color and keep it with you in your pocket. Also, someone will complain to you that they have issues with the luxury. They earn well, but they don't seem to be holding well, or they don't have much of the savings. Or they earn well, there's a lack of affluence and abundance in their life. Then to number 6. Now, if someone comes to you that they like to stay alone, they can't mingle with others, even in a group, they feel they don't belong there. In fact, they enjoy staying by themselves. This is where you will also notice that they are into too much research, or they are always thinking in their mind. Your suggestion would be to those folks, try to socialize with others, put efforts into that. And that speaks of number 7, but you're not going to increase number 7's potency. Rather, you're going to suggest, take a white piece of paper, write number 2 on it with the silver color, very light or off-white or beige. Keep it with you. And you can keep these remedies only one at a time. Keep it for 40 to 45 days and see the results. If you feel within 1 or 2 days it isn't working, or you feel different, then you can take that paper, throw it in the trash. But if you observe that you have feeling the positive changes, continue 40 to 45 days, and after that you can take that piece of paper, put it in a plant, green plant. Make sure that plant is not of tulsi, the holy basil, or the people plant. Now, if someone comes to you that they have been struggling a lot with money, they've never found stability, they start a job, they lose a job, they stick for some time, then again they miss it. One way or the other, the blame comes upon them, or they are just in their business, they don't find support of their workers or the co-workers or the teammates, or they have those who support at home, they don't stick around for long, even in their business. It's all about number 8 here. So you got to avoid eating non-veg and alcohol on Saturdays, again Tuesdays, and watch how you speak, how you treat those who help you. That's your support team. What you got to do is change your behavior and approach toward them. Respect them. The more you respect them genuinely, more your life and career will find stability. In the end, remedy is not changing what's in your destiny or your luck. It is aligning yourself with your karma and aligning yourself with the energies of the planet, what planet is asking you to do. Also on Saturdays, avoid black color and try to go and help. Physical involvement, efforts, that is serving, go to the temple, church or mosque, help prepare the meals, help serve the meals, help clean up the floors or the shoes or mop the place. That is called help. Now don't go being selfish that why you're doing, go with the selfless motive, with the good intention. Now, if someone comes to you that they're really struggling with issues in their life, now and then, every now and then they meet an accident, or the medicine, just constantly 1 or 2 medicines they are popping, or the surgery issues, or they cannot sit idle, or they are always agitated, frustrated, annoyed, and they have anger issues. That's Mars, number 9. Tell them to avoid wearing red and eating red or spices or red chilies in their diet. That will calm them. But also suggest them to go and do fast-paced yoga, meditation. Go serve the old age home. Put your effort when you go and do fast-paced workout, but also serve the old age home. That is where the problems can be rectified, or suggested some remedies that will help them overcoming those problems. These are just my insights and what I have observed over the years from my experience, because the problem speaks. I hope you enjoyed this episode. Don't forget to share and subscribe, and let me know what part resonated more with you. I'll see you soon. Take care.